This is a fun tool that you can use on your computer if you're meeting with your students virtually or if you're recording yourself. It's called Classroom Screen. So you just Google Classroom Screen, click on it. And this tool is great for bringing your whiteboard into your students' homes. So if you look at the toolbar down at the bottom, there's a background button. So they have lots of backgrounds to choose from. You can choose any background you'd like. They have solid colors if you prefer a solid color. They have these really cool backgrounds with movement if that's what you prefer. Other tools that you might see here, when the teacher is talking, it's red light. When it's your turn to talk, it's a green light. And then you just re-click down at the bottom to turn it off. There's a timer. Today we're going to do our lesson for 10 seconds. And you set the timer. And when you're done, you can turn the timer off. What I really like about it is this drawing tool right here. There's two drawing tools. One takes up your whole screen. The other leaves your background and just gives you a small window for writing. So if you have a document that you want to show in the background, you could do that and then have a small screen for writing as well. If you want the full screen, you would just go like this, and you could work on anything you want with your students using your left click and your trackpad. So you can choose your color. The plus and minus is how thick you want your line to be. So that's a 10, and that's a 1. The trick is you have to write using your trackpad. So it's not going to be perfect, but you get your point across. And you're just right-clicking and dragging your finger across the trackpad to write. And when you're finished, you just click the X and you've cleared your board. So this is one way that you could share a whiteboard with your students, either through Zoom, sharing your screen, or through a video. If you have any questions, let me know.